Okay, welcome back here again. Got my, oops. For this, I'm going to use my oldie but goodie 18 volt Makita. Had this thing for probably 15 or 20 years. I don't know. But anyway, works as good as new. Got a piece of bathroom tile, simple stuff. And we're going to do the starter hole in it. Okay. I went down, I don't know, 3/32, an eighth of an inch, something like that. These are safety glasses, by the way, just so everybody knows. And what do I grab here? 5/16. I've not tried this before, so we're doing it together. Okay, so it says start at 45. There we go. That's the trigger. Stick it right there. Okay, got a trash can over here. Voila! That is pretty slick. Nice clean hole. Yeah, I'm real impressed. See if I can say it. Aroquito. Arequito. I can't read those words. Anyway, and the thing just tore right through it and smooth. I like it. Okay, so I give it a big thumbs up. This is nice. If you've ever got use for drilling in glass or ceramic, stone, concrete, granite, marble, any of those things, if this will do this porcelain tile, it'll do any of that. And I'm real impressed. I don't know if you can tell or not. So, go ahead and get you one. I mean, if you do this kind of work, whether for a living or around the house, yeah, it's nice. Thanks. Bye now.